Today I'm going to be installing a front and rear bumper on my 2021 F-250. This is a super high quality set that's going to definitely give your vehicle a more aggressive off-road rugged look. We'll start with the front bumper, and it comes with a lift up license plate so you have access to the winch. And yes, this comes with a 12,000 pound winch plate. That'll do everything you need and then some. And then it comes with two red D-rings that are capable of 4.75 tons each. It has a 120 watt light bar and four 18 watt LED lights. And you can use these as fog lights or just extra lights at night so you can see a little bit better. This front bumper also has pre-drilled integrated holes so you can actually use every sensor that your vehicle currently has on this bumper as well. And that's super nice because most of these aftermarket bumpers don't give you spots for your driving sensors. All of the brackets and holes are pre-drilled on this bumper, and it fits perfectly on your vehicle that you're installing it on. I didn't have to modify anything at all. Which, if I'm getting something aftermarket, I really don't want to have to modify it because I'm already doing this. And I mean, technically, I would probably have two people to do this. I use an air jack to help me out a little bit, but I would use two people. All right, let's take a moment and watch it go together a little bit. Now that is one good looking front end. It's very aesthetically pleasing and it's way better than the chrome that was on it. I'm going to let you guys finish looking at the front end, and then I'll start talking again when we get to the back end. Now the back was exactly the same as the front. Everything was ready to go. All the brackets fit perfectly. It came with all the bolts, the nuts, the washers, and everything. And again, zero modifications required. It fit perfectly. And the back also came with four more 18 watt lights and two more D-rings that are capable of the 4.75 tons. All the fog lights, the trailer controls, and everything just pop out of your old bumper, and they fit perfectly in this new bumper. It definitely makes it extremely convenient that it just all fit. So I did all this myself in between assembly of the front and rear bumper, removing the old front and rear, changing all the parts at, and install. This took me about 3 hours to do. Which really isn't that bad considering these are heavy duty front and rear bumpers. They're not light. They're powder coated evenly and they're completely rust resistant, and they give your vehicle a very sleek look. And did I mention that this comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty, and the customer service is remarkable. They responded super fast each time, and they always did it politely and courteously no matter what question I had. Now, if you guys are interested in this front and rear bumper, you can check it out in my profile, or you can leave me a comment and I'll direct you right where you need to go. If you want a durable look with the quality finish, this is definitely the route that you need to go. And there you have it. The back end looks just as good as the front end. Now it's time to move on to the next project.